What's up guys, Sinclair Photos here, and today we got a lot of stuff going on. We got two car shows instead of one. One very local one to me, the Town Lake Cars and Coffee, literally right across the street. So we're gonna swing by, see if they got any cool cars there. And then the second car show we're going to is gonna be absolutely insane. Hypercar overload. We got the Pininfarina Batista confirmed, Pagani Huayra Roadster, Ferrari Enzo, and a Porsche 918 Spider. So without too much saying, it's gonna be a good day today. If you're new to the channel, make sure to smash that subscribe button. I know you're gonna enjoy the video anyway, so make sure to hit that thumbs up button. And without further ado, let's roll. All right, there it is right there. There's a lot of people there. We may just drive through, I think, if I don't see anything too insane, but I don't think any hypercars are gonna be at this one, so yeah, we're probably just gonna drive through. All right, this is probably the best lineup I've ever seen at Town Lake Cars and Coffee. We've got the Diablo GT, I believe. Never seen this guy here before. Next to an Aventador SV. No, it's not an SV, it's an S with a, I guess, a Novatec style wing. VT, not GT, my bad. The Aventador. Got the GTC4 Lusso and a Speciale, courtesy of IX Exotics. Got a 570, the 720 I saw yesterday, that older Porsche, and a Viper. Dang, they're really kicking it up out here. Look at the parking lot, is absolutely filled with cars. Let's take a walk through here and see what we got. Got some GTR action this morning, GT350R. I think this is my buddy's new F430. Maybe more videos come with that soon. Leave a comment if you'd like to see that stuff. We got a Viper, new ZR1, one of my favorite cars out right now, and my friend's GTR. Awesome. Everything looks so good this morning. Just wait till you get to the next show, my goodness. On this side we got the new Audi R8, but this is like the rear wheel drive model. We got Fee Photography getting the shot for me right now. We got a couple more things. We got a new NSX, an Aeronaut Hellcat, Huracan 570, Corvette, Genesis with a big wing, and another Corvette. So I think that's gonna be all for this show. We're gonna head out to the other one now. Hope you enjoy this one. See you there. All right, guys. I've been sitting in traffic for like 45 minutes, I want to say. I was planning to get there at 9, and it's 9:08 right now, and we're not even halfway there. 290 was a wreck, so now I'm taking these back roads. I saw the Batistas there, but it's covered, so we're gonna get an unveil video, I guess. I guess we'll see what happens. I don't know when we're gonna get there now. It says like 30 more minutes, so see you there. We did it! Almost there! Alright fellas, we made it to the show. I still believe we made it here before all the other hypercars got here, so that's a plus. So now we're gonna go stand by the entrance and watch them roll in. Alright, under the cover and the two easy ups, we have the Pininfarina Batista. We've seen this car 2 times now. If you're a subscriber of the channel, you know what this looks like. So I guess they covered it up when in LA. They left it out in the rain. That just shows the car culture is different here than in LA. We really don't get cars like this here much, but it's okay. We're gonna get to see that unveiled later. I've never actually seen a car get the covers pulled off of it before, so this will be a first. Bad boy. Alright, the observant viewer would know the Lamborghini Gallardo Superleggera is a LP 570-4. This so-called Superleggera is a LP 550-2. Can I get a broke boy in the chat? Alright, this is parking attempt number 20.
This is 6? 6, yeah.
He's gonna back up again. He's not even in the lines. Oh, he's done. He gave up.
Doesn't matter.
Alright, now he's got his buddy in there. He's gonna park the Gallardo. Can he do it? Can he do it? Hey, that a boy. Oh, heck yeah. One time for the one time. Alright, this is the guy that owns the Gallardo.
What's the famous Davis movement all about? We're about $1,000 Adidas sunglasses, 2 Rolexes, because you never know if they might break.
He doesn't even know what he's saying.
Not sure if that's the cost, the weight, I don't fucking know. We got my dog. He's got a iced out gold chain, just so the bitches know. And
this guy's the biggest fake flexer I've ever seen. Oh, I hit your shaft. Look at that. That is not cool. But I mean the wing's cool, okay. We have a beautiful Speciale with Santa Claus driving. Alright guys, everyone's hustling and bustling. I think it disappeared. Where'd it go? Oh, there it is. Oh my goodness. There it is, guys. The Ferrari Enzo. That thing is absolutely insane. Is it a Japanese one? Oh, nope. Montana plates. I'm telling you guys, we need to make a trip out to Montana. All these cars there are so cool.
There's photographers everywhere.
I think this thing's in eco mode.
Want it this way or straight? Straight?
GT3 RS. Check this out, guys. What a convoy. We got a Porsche 918 and a Mustang. Dang. I haven't seen this one in so long.
Thanks for getting my way.
Nice. Nice. Let's see if he can park better than the Lambo driver.
Good. All right, come forward. Cut that way and come forward. Perfect.
What a beauty. Got another Speciale. License plate sizzle. That's cool. But that's cooler. Ladies and gentlemen, the only Porsche where the doors go up. That's awesome. We missed the good one because he came in the back door like a sneaky boy. We got the Wyra Roadster. Matte black. This is the same one that was in that detailing shop a long time ago, but we couldn't see it out. But now we have to see that carbon fiber in the sunlight. That's how Michael evades the ropes. Gotta do what you gotta do, man. Check that out. That looks so good. Black with carbon fiber and a black license plate. That thing is sinister. Alright guys, now all the main cars are here, all the showcase cars, the Huayra Roadster, the Enzo, the 918, and the Batista. We're gonna wait till the Batista gets unveiled and just take a look around at some of the other cars. We got the new Huracan Evo here, a couple of Aventadors, and a whole bunch of McLarens. So I'll go to the cinematic shots and you can enjoy these awesome cars that have showed up today. Alright guys, cars are cool and all for about the first time you see them, and when they get parked, what do you really do? So now we're going around taking some candid photos with the boys. I'll put them in at a little cinematic montage with some, like, I don't know, acoustic guitar in the background. Oh, it'll be beautiful. We got the fake Super G. Yeah, fake Super G. Without further ado, here's the video, baby.
When you're mine in the world, there's gonna be one less lonely girl. One less lonely girl.
All right, we got a Huracan coming back from our photo shoot, but the crowd over here makes me think that the Batista's already been unveiled, or they're kind of quiet. So maybe, I don't know, maybe they're doing it. Well, they're doing it right now. Oh, run, 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 run. All right, guys, there it is. The Pininfarina Batista in all its glory. You guys seen this car before, it's all good, it's all good. Now we play the waiting game again. Alright guys, here are the big boys, the Huayra. And finally, we get a good look at the Batista with the doors up. I guess they're showing everyone around it, but I'm gonna sneak right over here. It looks pretty good with the doors up, not gonna lie. What do you think, Fee?
Amazing. It looks
Amazing.
It looks legit different than on camera.
For real, you gotta see this thing in person, guys.
Yeah, better.
I wish I could share it with all of you, but if you're watching it, you pretty much have seen it. We got the boy in the rented Huracan Spider over here. Let's see if he'll rev it up. Let's hear it, let's hear it.
One more.
Yeah. That's what's up. The biggest flex.
It's photography here. Yeah. If you guys want to see the inside, I will show you guys the inside. Hey, doesn't that look amazing? And this thing's crazy. Hey, I'm vlogging. Yeah, doesn't that look amazing? Man, look at the engine bay. Which one would you rather draw?
Thank you, sir. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it is getting quite hot outside, so your boy is gonna call it a day, go get some lunch. But hope you did enjoy all the amazing supercars and hypercars that showed up to today's meet. At the Huayra, the Batista, the Enzo, and the 918 as like the showcase kind of cars. Love seeing the Enzo out. You never really see those come out to shows anymore. But hope you did enjoy the video. If you did like the video, make sure you smash the like button. It helps me out a lot. Subscribe if you're new to the channel.
Hey, bro.
What up, what up, what up?
Love your videos, bro.
Thank you,
How
thank
you
you.
doing?
Say what up there, buddy.
Bro, subscribe to Sinclair Photos, bro.
He already
Best
knows
vlogger
what's up.
YouTube, bro.
Thank you, thank you. And we'll see you in the next video.